The last 2 days I've decided to take some time off. Well, yesterday I had a day off. I've been creating a video every day for 14 days, and I think sometimes it's really important to know when it's time to have a break. And I didn't need a break, but sometimes you need to have that hard reset. So what happened the other day was I went out Monday and I shot a video. I went to go and do a POV, didn't go to plan, files corrupted, and I was like, I want to upload a video, but I couldn't upload the video because the file's corrupted. So I was like, I'll do another video. So I sorted the SD card out. I went and did a different video because I didn't have enough time, and and that other video just didn't work. So I was like, you know what? This is the universe saying, Sam, have a day off. So I had a day off, and I think it's really important to remember that when you're creating content, not just on a consistent basis, but in general, even in your work life, your normal day-to-day life. It's always good just to stop, relax, and go again. Because I think sometimes we get so caught up, we forget what we're actually doing, and if we're just going full pace all the time, we won't ever be able to enjoy the things that we're doing. Now, I enjoy every video that I create. I enjoy showcasing my life and what I'm up to you guys, and hopefully it inspires some of you to go out and create, even if you've got a little bit of time in your day. But yesterday, I was like, well, you know what? I'll decide I'm going to do nothing. So I did nothing. I guess it wasn't really nothing, but I did a couple of things that I wanted to do for a while. So I went paddleboarding, which was lovely. If you guys don't know what paddleboarding is, it's basically like you can see kind of some clips on the screen. It's a big surfboard essentially. Let me just double check this framing. Whoop. We're okay. There we go. It's essentially just a big surfboard. Stand on it. You've got a paddle along, and I just went out for a couple of hours to relax with Roxanne and my mum. I do have a slight update for you guys, whoever you are watching. The Australia visa has taken an extra step forward. We've passed on some more documentation that they asked for, because they just asked for a little bit of extra documentation. That's now been sent off, and we're thinking it could be in a month or 2 or potentially 3 if we get accepted, because there is still the possibility we don't get accepted, and if that happens, then we'll adjust and continue nonetheless. Should we have a look at the hashtag and see what you guys have been creating over the last couple of days, because I could do some inspiration. Okay, so if we're in a screen record on, we're on the most recents. I'm going to be going out to shoot the car at night. I don't know if I'm going to go out tonight or tomorrow night. This here is a panning shot. Love that. In Switzerland. Going down. This one here, I like this. I like that a lot. Who doesn't love an umbrella in the rain? Keep going down. If I see any cars on, I'm gonna have a look at those, because I want to try and get some inspiration for some car shots. This is nice. I like the contrast between that light and the shadow. Keep going down. This here, look at that. That's really nice. Such simplicity, and I think actually the borders around it really help the photo. Looking for those nice simplistic shots that sound. This is cool. Nice shot. Great shot there. And we'll do 2 more. We'll do 2 more photos, and we'll go with this one here. I like that action shot. And one more. Let's go with one more. This one here. Nice, another nice panning shot. I like that second one. It looks like you can get a true sense of how fast he's going. And I did catch one more. Where's it gone? This here, I like the vibe in this, because it's like super foggy. Great set all around. And I'm hoping actually to get some shots of the sea mist. So sometimes we get a bit of sea mist come in here, and I'm hoping I can get some shots when that does happen. It'll probably happen towards the end of August, when the temperatures start decreasing. Now, before I sign off, I just want to talk quickly about the difficulties of creating daily content. One of the biggest difficulties is finding the time to edit the videos, because obviously if I go out all day today and I shoot, and then this video is going live tomorrow, it's really difficult to get it all done. And I think there is a secret sauce, but it takes balance. But then you've got to take into the consideration the daily factor of kind of just like normal daily life, and then things that go wrong, like the corruption of the files the other day, and then on top of that, Wi-Fi speeds. Oh my god, down here in Wales the Wi-Fi speeds are horrendous. At home, when I try to upload a 6 GB file, it takes, how long did it take the other day? 2.5 hours. So when you take into consideration that the video itself only took around an hour to edit, and then the longest part was the upload. Anyway, with all that being said, create more, stress less, go and relax.